Indian flag pattern on a 7x7 Rubik's cube. So for those of you who are not familiar with reading cube notations on bigger cubes, I have already made a video on the same and I've linked it in the description box below. So for those of you who are interested, you can always check out that video, and it'll be useful while solving this pattern. So to get started, first of all, you need to position the cube in such a way that the blue layer is in front, the orange is on the right side, and the white layer is at the top. You can follow the algorithm on the screen. U wide, D wide prime twice, once, twice, L wide. Now we need to move 3 layers at once. 3U prime, 4U prime, and 5U prime. Do an L wide prime. Now again 3 layers at once. 3U, 4U, and 5U at once. Moving on to the right side of the cube. So we do the R wide prime. Now we move 3 layers at once. 3U, 4U, and 5U. Now we do an R wide. Now we move 3U prime, 4U prime, and 5U prime. And there you go, we've got the Indian flag pattern on the 7x7 Rubik's cube. Now to get this 7x7 back to its solved state, what you need to do is repeat the same algorithm in reverse. So here we go. 3U, 4U, and 5U combined. Now R wide prime, 3U, 4U, 5U prime, R wide, now 3U, 4U, and 5U prime, L wide, 3U, 4U, and 5U, L wide prime, D wide twice, once, twice, U wide prime. So we have got back the solid state of the cube.